Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are all safe and good. In review program, you have written classwork and homework in your math note. We have completed two chapters in math note: numbers and numeration and addition. Students, today we are going to see chapter 4, multiplication. In multiplication part 1, we will learn what is multiplication, what are the terms using in multiplication, properties of multiplication, and multiplication using expander notation method. In this, first let us see about what is multiplication. Multiplication means it is a repeated addition. For example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 20. Here 4 added how many times? Yes, 5 times. In multiplication, we can do this 5 times of 4, which is equal to 20. Here 4 and 5 are called factors. The answer 20 is called product. Next, terms of multiplication. When we multiply two numbers, the first number is called multiplicand. The second number by which the multiplicand is multiplied is called the multiplier. The result of the multiplication is called product. Look at this example. 645. It's called multiplicand. 8 is the multiplier. The result 5160 is the product. The multiplicand and multiplier is also called factors. So, in this example, 645 and 8 are the factors. Next, let us see the properties of multiplication. There are 5 properties in multiplication. First property, multiplicative property of 1. When any number is multiplied with 1, the product is the same number. Look at this example. 5270 is multiplied with 1. The result is the number itself. That means the product of 5270 into 1, which is equal to 5270. This property is also called identity property of multiplication. Second property, multiplicative property of 0. When we multiply any number with 0, the product is always 0. Look at this example. 1234 is multiplied with 0. We get the product is 0. This property we can say 0 property of multiplication. Third property, order property of multiplication. When we multiply two numbers, we can change the order of the numbers. It does not change the product. For example, 4705 multiply with 4, which is equal to 18,820. When 4 is multiplied with 4705, we get the product 18,820. From this, what you understood? Yes, 4705 into 4, which is equal to 4 into 4705. We can say multiplication is commutative. Fourth property, grouping property of multiplication. While multiplying more than two numbers, the product remains the same even if we change the grouping of the numbers. Look at this example. Here 4 is grouped with 3. So 4 threes are 12. 12 into 2, which is equal to 24. Next, 3 and 2 are grouped. 3 twos are 6. 4 into 6, which is equal to 24. So 4 grouped with 3 and multiply by 2, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 into 2. Grouping property is also called associative property. Fifth property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. The product of a number multiplied by the sum of two numbers is equal to the sum of the products of that number with the two addends separately. Look at this example. The number 8 multiplied by the sum of 10 and 4. 8 into 14, which is equal to 112. The number 8 separately multiplied by both the numbers 10 and 4. The sum of the products are 80 plus 32, which is equal to 112. Therefore, 8 into 10 plus 4, which is equal to 8 into 10 plus 8 into 4. I hope you are all clear about properties of multiplication. Next, let us see multiplication using expander notation method. You have already known well about expander form. Expander form is a way to write numbers grouped with their place value. In example 1, 115 into 3. Here 3 is the one digit number and 115 is the 3-digit number. 115 write in expanded form 100 plus 10 plus 5. Now with the expander form we have to multiply 3. 100 into 3 plus 10 into 3 plus 5 into 3. 100 into 3, which is equal to 300. 10 into 3, which is equal to 30. 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. 300 plus 30 plus 15, which is equal to 345. So, 115 into 3, which is equal to 345. One more example. 1935 into 6. 1935 in expanded form, we can write 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 5. Now we have to multiply 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 5 into 6. 1000 into 6, 1000 into 6 plus 900 into 6 plus 30 into 6 plus 5 into 6. 1000 into 6, which is equal to 6000. 900 into 6, which is equal to 5400. 30 into 6, which is equal to 180. 5 into 6, which is equal to 30. So, 6000 plus 5400 plus 180 plus 30, which is equal to 11,610. So, the answer is 1935 into 6, which is equal to 11,610. I hope you are all understood up to this. Next, classwork to write in your math note. Chapter 3, Subtraction. Subtraction means to take away a smaller number from a bigger number. Next, terms used in subtraction and properties of subtraction. First property, subtracting 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Second property, subtracting 1 from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. Third property, subtracting a number from itself, the difference is 0. Copy these and all in your math note. Thank you, students.